Hi everyone, welcome to this fall haul and unboxing, which I'm going to kick off with items I picked up from Asos. These are already unboxed because I was a little anxious to see what I got. I'm going to start off with these lilac metallic dress pants. They have an interesting, almost like herringbone texture to them. They're great for a work pant or a night out or just any fancy occasion. I wish they were a little more wide leg at the bottom, but that's fine. They're in a size 4 and they were just $24.75 from the Asos outlet from the brand Closet London. Next up, I have some black and white checked paper bag waist pants with the little white tuxedo stripe on the side. These were $25.50 from Asos, and I picked those up in a size 4. I also got these orange espadrilles from the brand London Rebel. They were $18.40. If I don't get to wear them this summer, I'll wear them next summer. They were on sale, and this is an end of summer item. All right, next up we have some items from JustFab. Now this shipment is a duplicate of an order I already placed. These are faux suede sandals with a 3-inch heel. They're called the Annie sandal, and they wrap around the ankle, which is a style I love because my ankles are so tiny. Anything that wraps around the ankle gives me more weight. And I have them also in this light mocha color. And these were actually just $10. When I picked them up, they were $10 each. Now, these are some items I picked up from Fabletics. These were $15.73, and they're called Tiger Dash. That's the print, and they have a little pocket on the inside. Nothing else fancy, but these are on sale right now, actually, still for $15.73. This is called the Chroma print. Also has the little pocket on the inside, and there's so many colors in there. They're very versatile. You can wear them with a ton of different sports bras for a different look. Speaking of sports bras, I picked up a couple from Shein. These are all under $10 with the cute little fancy back. I love a fancy back sports bra. Also, I've taken the padding out of all of them. They've been in the wash, but I will put the padding back in just before I wear them. This is a neon lemon color, also with the fancy back. They were, definitely less than $10, and I also picked up the exact same one in this dusty pink. Cute little bag. Again, the padding will go back in just before I put them on to work out. All right, next up, I have also from Shein this sort of fall inspired apron with the fall colors that I'm most likely gonna wear just to patter around in my balcony garden when I'm digging around in the soil and potting and repotting things. I thought it was a fun item to pick up. It was less than $10, so I figured why not. All right, now we're going to get to the unboxing items. These came just within the past couple days, and most of these are home decor items. I'm going to start off with this one is my wreath, which it contains acorns, dried flowers, bits of cotton, and I'm really excited about that. It was less than $30. I think it was like $26.99, and I got that on Amazon. Okay, next up, I picked up these flameless candles, also from Amazon. They were about $20. Believe it or not, they're actually made of real wax, but they are battery operated, and it comes with the remote, which controls how bright you want the flame to be, and also control the flickering. If you want it to flicker really fast, really slow, to give it that realistic look. Okay, next up, this is an item for my dressing room. Actually, it's not really fall inspired, but it's for my dressing room. This is going to store my sunglasses. I have about 15 pairs of sunglasses that I don't wear all of them, and this compartment holds only 12, so I'm gonna sort through them and cull out which ones I'm actually going to keep. It has a nice velvet interior to make sure that your glasses remain unscratched and unharmed. And I picked that up from Amazon as well. All right, next up I have these little white pumpkins for just decorating all around my apartment. They're white with this beautiful gold brush painted detail. They come in different sizes, and they're just stunning. There are about 7 or 8 of them, which I got from Amazon for less than $20. Couldn't have been any more. I'll link it down below just in case. I picked up these sunflowers from Amy Homey, a seller on Amazon, and she gives a nice little thank you note on her packaging. These are a pair of sunflowers. It comes with other little floral details. The sunflowers are in different sizes. I plan to split them up and make different arrangements for around my apartment, because the sunflower is the theme that I'm going for fall versus anything too orange. She also threw in this pack of purple wall decals. They're butterflies, and believe it or not, I actually already own a pack of that color and different colors. I use them on my wall at work, and I have some gold ones right now on my wall in my apartment. So thanks, Amy. All right, let's see. Next up we have, these are some items for my balcony garden. This is a 5-inch pot set. It comes with the saucers for each pot. And I got these actually off of eBay, and the entire set was about $26. I'll link it down below just in case I got that wrong. And they're very well packed and encased in this styrofoam, so that they're very well protected. They also have little drainage holes to the bottom to make sure you get proper drainage. Okay, next up, I have this lap desk, which is for you to lay your laptop on, so that you have a nice cushion on your lap, and you don't get that burn or that heat from underneath your laptop when you're away from your desk. It also has a little slot on the side for your cell phone. I already have a lap desk, but it's not as nice as this one. This one actually has a little, of course, the thing on the side for your phone, and these little strips that actually keep your laptop in place while it's on your lap. I got that from Amazon as well. And up next is this set of bamboo cooking utensils. I needed these for a set of pots that I just purchased, and they have that Teflon coating on the inside, and these will really help with preserving that coating so it doesn't get scratched and damaged. I've had a bamboo set before, or rather just a couple of items, maybe like a fork and spoon and a spatula, but I went all out for this set, and hopefully I don't damage these the way I did the other ones. You got the fork, which I really need, a bunch of spoons, and different sorts of spatulas. You have the angled one, your regular one, a vented one, and of course that salad fork. They also have little holes to the bottom, so if you have a way to store them, to tie them together and store them somewhere, that's a convenience. All right, next up, I picked up this stainless steel straw set from a store called Dee Dee's Discount. You may have one in your area. This set was just $4.99, and it comes with the little cleaner to actually clean out the inside of the straws. Also from DD's, I picked up for $4.99 this jack-o'-lantern. It also lights up so that when you plug it in, the little head lights up on the inside. I'm not gonna put this out right now. That's for Halloween and for my outdoor decor. That's what it looks like all lit up. Next up, we have a couple of items I picked up from Dollar Tree. Now, I already have these little glass pumpkins, but they're in a white color. When I went the other day, they had them in this ivory color, which is great. I'm going to put those in my bathroom, which is pretty much that ivory white color. I also picked up these little glass containers. I believe you put candles in them, possibly a little votive candles, but I just picked them up as a general decor item because they go with the theme of everything else I'm planning to decorate with. I also picked up from Dollar Tree this glass pumpkin in this gorgeous sort of green, ivory and orange color. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in my living room somewhere or possibly add it to the items for the bathroom. All right, next up is some items that I picked up also from Amazon. This is a gray satin pillowcase cover. They come in a set, and yeah, they zip open, you put the pillow in, and these are great for your skin and keeping your hair from breaking at night. I cover my hair, but you know, just in case my cover comes off, I'm protected with that satin pillow. Also, I picked up this set of 4 pillowcase covers as well for like just decor items around my apartment. This is the first one. It's called Grateful. It's for an 18 by 18 pillow, and it unzips. You can put a pillow you already have inside, or if you have those just sort of generic inserts that you can put in there and switch up your decor. Now the second one is this, it's a picture of 3 white pumpkins with sort of grayish and sage-ish coloring. That really encompasses sort of what I'm going for in my interior theme this fall, as well as this one. I think this pillow cover captures it the most because it has the gold tones in it. So if you see this pillow, you kind of see where my interior theme is gonna go for fall. And last but not least is this big pumpkin, which has some blue tones in it, which I don't believe will go with my theme. So I'm not going to include this, but that's part of the pack. I can't wait to get started decorating.